Big trucking, guys. Check out this rig right here with the extended cab on it. Huh? We're over here. My neighbor's property. I'm gonna ask him if I could borrow this fence right here. I think I could put the solar panels on there and use that as a brace. Excuse me. Maybe even something like this. I could put the panels on here. 1, 2, 3. Something to think about. But yeah. Shit, check this rig out. Asked the neighbor if I could borrow one of these things over here. Oh, look, he moved it over here. Even better. Much better idea. Much better food system. Food trough, cut in here. They get in here. Everybody should be able to get something. And they're good. Alright, guys. I'm out of here.